Righty, a little update. So, using that same, whatever, byte to colored pixel method, I modified it to include a palette loaded from an old abandoned project I basically was making a while back. But that project used the Doom palette for testing, so I already had the file. So K palette, it's just named GB palette, I guess. Anyway. So that's just the PC Doom one. It's close enough to the Game Boy Advance one to at least find where the sprites and stuff are. And I did find at this offset, I actually found quite a few things in there, like the Icon of Sin background, guessing for one of the title screens, and most importantly the HUD. And I've actually got it open right now. So this took me a few tries to get the end width right. I had to take one and then add a bunch of numbers and just guess and shit. Anyway, so there is actually the HUD, like just without anything. It's got the God mode thing on there, even though nothing else is on there. Here's a bunch of numbers. I'm guessing that's for the HUD as well. And right here, I'm guessing that's also the mug faces, because I can see a few pupils and stuff. And I'm guessing it's for multiplayer because you can see like the grey ones, or dark grey, right there. Light grey, green, red, and back to the normal grey. And just does that a few times. So I don't know how many of these HUD pieces there are, but each one of them seems to have a bunch of random garbage pixels. I don't know. I'm guessing the white here might be transparency. Might be, but I have no idea. But the main thing is I got the actual default HUD without anything on there itself. Actually, I probably wouldn't have transparency because it's just got the background color on top, or laid on top, like the green, red, grey, etc. So I don't know. I might be able to just like toy with this, change the size, and make it whatever size the head is, and just get all the heads at once. Then probably get the uncensored Russian one and combine it together. Also, an update on that previous video I did where I actually found where the color palettes and stuff were stored. I've got two emulators open, the Russian one and the normal one, and I've actually changed every single one of the 96 palettes from the Game Boy Advance one with the same default PC one. So if you get hurt or anything, it won't glow red. I couldn't be bothered. I was just testing it. But yeah, it's actually picked up the other one in multiplayer. Now it's starting to lag. I'll quit that. What up? Because that's rendering at full frames. Anyway. Now it looks a lot better in some ways. Even the status bar looks way more colourful in my opinion with the PC one. Some of the browns and stuff, switches tend to have the wrong colours, but oh yeah, ignore the garbage chainsaw. I was trying to work out where the sprite data was located, but fucked up. Anyway, the sky looks far better. Some of the walls look better. The characters have a bit of wrong colour issues, like on the right and on the left. One's brighter, one's not. But yeah, around here is where you start seeing bad colour problems. Like with the walls, you got bits of grey when it should be green. You got the ground, which is just random colours. Blues look really good though, so... So if I go outside, yeah, the shotgun's got like weird colours, interesting weird stuff, but look how nice the water looks, holy shit. Well yeah, once I somehow figure out how to change all the sprites from that, by looking at that Russian source code and stuff, that's how I found the HUD in the first place. I should be able to convert all the textures and sprites and stuff to use the PC palette and be uncensored, of course, but I'm still working on that. There we go to the next level. Yay. Tried it with the Russian one as well, but it actually looks a bit worse. Because this Russian has converted all the PC sprites over, but the HUD looks a bit weird, and yeah, the walls look a bit weird when you go close to them and further away. I don't know. But we got red blood loose. These walls here don't look too bad, but yeah, looks weird here. Anyway, that's up for the updated video, I guess. I'll wait and see how far, or if I keep going. But yeah, anyway,